Welcome to Ebas Gallery. Shortly before the first A-Class hatchbacks reach customers in Western Europe in May, a new variant of the compact class family, in the guise of the Mercedes-Benz A-Class L Sedan, will already be celebrating its premiere at Auto China 2018 in Beijing. The notchback model being presented there features a 6 cm longer wheelbase, 2,789 instead of 2,729 mm, and is a variant developed solely for the Chinese market. This A-Class model is being produced exclusively at Beijing Benz Automotive Co., Ltd., BBAC, a joint venture between Daimler and its Chinese partner BAIC Motor. The market launch in China is scheduled for the second half of 2018. A version of the sedan tailored to the needs of customers outside China will likewise launch in the second half of the year. With the latest design language characterized by clear structures and sensual surfaces, the high level of safety thanks to the innovative driving assistance systems featuring S-Class functions and the MBUX, Mercedes-Benz User Experience, infotainment system, the Chinese A-Class L Sedan boasts all of the virtues of the new compact class family from Mercedes-Benz. One highlight is the intelligent voice control of the MBUX system with natural speech recognition. It is proficient in various Chinese dialects, including Sichuan's and Cantonese. With our Chinese customers' wishes and needs in mind, we developed the A-Class L Sedan for the local market, which is the first and only long wheelbase model in the premium compact car segment, said Hubertus Troska, member of the Board of Management of Daimler AG, responsible for Greater China. This long wheelbase version offers added space, with a rear compartment dedicated to meeting local preferences.